Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tech fix video. Today, we're diving into a super common issue. Your Facebook Messenger profile picture not updating, even in 2025. If you're tired of seeing that old photo staring back at you, don't worry, I've got simple, step-by-step solutions that anyone can follow. Let's jump right in. First things first, check your internet connection. A spotty Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can prevent updates from syncing properly. Make sure you're on a stable network before trying anything else. Next, give your Messenger app a fresh start. Close the app completely, then reopen it. This simple restart often clears up temporary glitches and gets things moving again. If that doesn't do the trick, it's time to clear the app's cache. On Android, head to your settings, go to Apps, select Messenger, and tap on Storage to clear the cache. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This step helps remove any corrupted data that's blocking the update. Another easy fix. Update your Messenger app to the latest version. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. Developers release patches all the time, especially for issues like this. Now, try logging out of your Messenger account and logging back in. Go to your profile settings, sign out, and then sign back in with your credentials. This can refresh your session and resolve syncing problems. If you're still stuck, upload your profile picture directly from the Facebook website on a computer or mobile browser. Sometimes, the app has quirks that the web version doesn't. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out to Facebook support. They have helpful resources and can investigate any account-specific issues. There you have it. Quick and effective ways to get your profile picture updating in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.